thanks for coming to WeCast, or if you're at WeCast currently, thanks for stopping by. We've got a whole lineup of Crush City baits to go through. Now, we're going to kind of split it up in different videos. So I'm going to do, in this video, we're going to go over the new sizes of freeloaders. Of course, these guys right here have won a lot of money for pros like Dustin Connell, Jacob Wheeler, of course, the Crush City lineup as a whole. A lot of money's been won on them. Kyle Welcher with the Bronco Bug. This guy right here, the Freeloader, was designed to be a chatterbait trailer, however has transitioned to a lot of people's arsenals, great on a scrounger head as well as a spinnerbait trailer. Literally any type of trailer that requires a little shad pattern, these are going to be a great option. Now, not a lot of secondary action in the tail. There is a little bit of a bulbous portion on there, but with the addition of these new sizes here in the 5 1/4 as well as 6 1/4, these are going to be much bigger profiles for anywhere that has bigger shad. So I know a lot of the Tennessee River guys have been asking for a bigger profile. What's great about the Crush City baits as a whole, number one, is that these are very, very durable, as well as overall very thought out. Jacob Wheeler had a lot to do with the design of a lot of these, and you're going to notice if you take a very, very close look at each of these at the show, or if you did notice this, the split belly is a huge player, especially if you want to use this as a soft jerk bait. Using this on a scrounger head, a regular standard ball head, something like a range roller or something of the sort. When you're using this on forward-facing sonar, you're going to get a great return. The blunt nose, as well as just how each of the ribs on this are set up, they're going to give you a great return. Coming in a bunch of different colors. Again, 2 brand new sizes for the Freeloader. You can see just how much action this bait has on its own. Again, 5 1/4 as well as 6 1/4 here. So for the 5 1/4, if you've got a bigger chatterbait or you're fishing deeper offshore with a big spinner bait, that is how I would rig this one up. Of course, a ball head is going to be a standard for most people. The 6 1/4 here, if you're trying to really get on those big gizzard shad eaters, this is the one you're going to want to upgrade to. Again, these also have a great smell to them, the anise smell, as well as, I forget exactly what they call it. They put a specific scent formula in here, and they also are weighted pretty good, have a nice heavy salt content, so you don't need an overly big jig head to get these down in the water you want to fish. These guys right here, the 6 1/4, actually sizes up a little bit in terms of not just the scale, but also increasing some of the width on the bait to help it actually stay vertical in the water. So really, really cool stuff from Rapala Crush City. The brand new freeloaders, guys and gals. Check them out when Lake Pro Tackle gets them in here, and we can't wait to get them in. So thanks for watching.